Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, Jennifer uses to make her hair beautiful. Correct. Number 2, that tree is not young. It is very. Yes. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I use a curling iron every day. I use a curling iron every day. Curling iron. A curling iron is used in order to make your hair curly. I use a curling iron every day. Change it to yesterday. I used a curling iron yesterday. Now change it to tomorrow. What will you do? I will use a curling iron tomorrow. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Curling iron, 2 words. Down here, BATH, 1. This means bathroom, level 1. Over here, the number 5 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Cur. Ling. I. Earn. Curling iron. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The tree is very old. The tree is very old. Old. The tree is very old. It is not young. It started growing 100 years ago. The tree is very old. Now change it to a question. How do you do that? Is the tree very old? Now we can make a flashcard and remember it forever. We use old and young for people, trees, animals, things that are living. But for cars and TVs and computers, we say old and new. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form, be old. Up here. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 54 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Old. Game over. You did very well today. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Very good. Penalty. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Bad, yes. We use it in sports. Number 2, where else did you go? This means what other places did you go? And number 3, downhill. Yeah, that's the opposite of Uphill, correct. Today is Sunday, October 5th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.